Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Finance Seco India. Today's trade marked a sharp fall in Indian market. Sensex dropped over 700 points and Nifty slid below 24,850. In this video, we will break down why this crash happened and what it means for investors. Financial stocks led the downturn, particularly Bajaj Finance, which fell 5 to 6% on growing assets quality concern in its MSME portfolio, despite beating earning estimates. That single name took down the broader financials index over 1% down today. So let's discuss the top 5 reasons behind today's fall. Reason 1 is Bajaj Finance weakness. Asset quality issue in MSME loan sparked the sell-off. Reason 2 is FII selling pressure. Foreign institutional investors have sold over 11,500 crore in just the last 4 trading days, part of the broader July outflow of 28,500 crore. Third reason is IT and consumer disappointment. Disappointing Q1 earnings from IT stocks and companies like Nestle India weighted heavily on sentiments. Reason 4 is trade deal uncertainty. Ongoing delays in the US-India trade pact combined with cautious optimism around the newly signed UK-India FTA cooled investors' mood on export and corporate growth. Reason 5 is technical breakdown in key support zones. Nifty breached its critical support at 24,900, triggering further technical sell signal toward 24,800 or 24,500. This decline is part of a wider risk of trend, global volatility, murky Fed policy signals, and geopolitical uncertainty are unsettling investors. Also noteworthy, Indian rupee slipped to a 1-month low of around 86.6 rupees, reflecting foreign outflow and heightened market volatility. Markets are clearly cautious but not panicking yet. For investors, watch financial stock, especially credit metrics in Bajaj Finance and others. Expect FII flow to dominate near terms. Rotate toward stable sectors like consumer staples and defense. Near-term technical risk below 24,900. Support zones to monitor. Global sentiments and trade deal clarity will be key near-term triggers. In short, financials led the fall, led by Bajaj's MSME warning. FII dumped equity, driven by valuation cautious, weak earnings, IT and consumer plus stalled trade talks rattled confidence. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for more like market updates. Please share your view. What's your biggest concern in the market today? Comment below. Thank you and Jai Hind.